showing how to actually work your system, and actually what problem we already talked about it. Now I'm going to log in. Now I'm going to register or sign up my new account for £15 per month. Here is my username and my password is here, my email and confirm email is here. Now taking time. This is the test mode for Stripe payment system, and this is the card number, demo card number, and update time 2026, and CCV is random, and my name. Just going to take a subscription, and after this subscription I will get a order section here. This is my order section, and this is my actually order section or my login information and my order number, and all are working at my Gmail. And this is the time. Just I refresh my browser again for getting better result. Oh, my connection is weak at this moment. Sorry for this. It's taking too many times. Okay, this is last 1 minute, 0 minute ago. This is my order number, and I got this order number from this section. And this is my section is working very good. And now I'm going to log out, and my system going to log out, and I will go to again forget my password or lost my password, and then I enter my email address here and get new password this section, and it will give me a forget password section in my mail. Just wait for a second for getting this, or it will come my spam, because I am trying lots of time for this email. Yes, not got spam. Yes, this is my reset password system, and login password and key is available this section, and this is my IP also here. And I'm going to change my password under the section link, and I use new password, reset password. Yes, the password has been uploaded, and I'm going to how to add your real-time payment system. Just going to your admin panel, then going to the setting admin panel, and then the membership plugin membership. I again said the paid membership pro, that means the membership plugin. Then you go into the setting. After going to the setting, you will find a section, the payment gateway. You will find after setting you will get payment gateway. Then you go to the section live production. Then you need to connect the this type, and you can also connect via the system. This is the one of the system to connect to logging your email, the paid membership pro. Otherwise you can reverse your system, and then you go to the connect the API. When you click the API settings, and you will get the publish key from your Stripe and the secret key. Then you need to save just enough, and it will working perfect. And I tested many times and many website. I hope this project is very good, and our communication will again go for the next project. Or if you need any upgradation this project, I hope I can handle it smoothly. Thank you so much. Thank you.